it's always fantastic to be here. I mean, it's such an invigorating event. There are so many people here. The energy is really palpable. Jensen spoke a lot about the tokens per watt and cost effectiveness of tokens. And this is really the new measure in the industry of output from AI. So it really is a key metric for these customers. Improving the cost per watt or cost per token will actually lead to further demand in the industry. And our vertically integrated model is directly targeted at that. You know, we're an NVIDIA preferred partner. We work with them very closely on the technology side, the operations side, the future data center design, the future of our software platform. So we're really very well looped in with them. You know, we all work so hard day to day to make this a reality in terms of the business, but to actually come here and really get the feedback of people, get that energy is always a really fun thing to do.